Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable Seek to Report feature on Snapchat. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. After that, select the gear button and then scroll until you can find Seek to Report option. Once you do, tap on it and then toggle on the button beside Enable. And that's it. This is how you can enable Seek to Report on Snapchat. If you need the Shake guide, you can tap on the How to Shake option and then read the manual. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.